In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Netflix cannot skip intro. Now, this mainly happens due to you installing browser extensions or watch party add-ons. So if you're using Netflix on your browser, especially on your laptop or on your desktop, make sure you disable any sort of extensions which might be causing this issue, or make sure you disable the watch party as well if this is not the case for you. Secondly, what you need to do is toggle the auto skip setting. So within the web browser of Netflix, you should be able to see the playback settings being displayed. Within the profile and parental controls, make sure that this option is unchecked. If this option was checked for you, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So once you uncheck this, your issue should be solved. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still facing this issue, then what you can do is just reinstall the application of Netflix onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.